What is up, you guys? It's Nay Rose and I am back with another video today, and as you can see by the title and as you can see by the looks of it, I straightened my hair and these are the results. I was very curious to see how my hair would look straightened, so I decided to go ahead and straighten my hair, give my hair a different look, you know, and I already wanted to do like a length check and just see how my hair is coming along. Just see if it's healthy, see if my curls will revert back afterwards. A lot of things that I just wanted to see, and I've been wanting to straighten my hair, so I figured now is the perfect time. I haven't straightened my hair in over 6 months, so I'm happy with how it's looking. It feels really healthy, it's really sleek. While I was wearing my curls, I did get a diva cut, so that was one thing that I was really like curious about, to see how my hair would look straightened, since a diva cut is you getting your natural curls cut to your liking. It's basically your hair being cut specifically for your curls. So I was kind of like, dang, like I'm straightening my hair. I don't know how it's gonna look. Is it gonna look like layers? Is it gonna look choppy? In my opinion, it doesn't look too bad. Of course, it's not like super straight, like boom, but it doesn't look bad to me. It's manageable. During this process of me straightening my hair, everything I use is from Carol's Daughter. So that's basically just the blow dry cream that I use and the heat protector that I use, and both of these work perfect on my hair when I straighten my hair, every time I straighten my hair. So in the video, you'll definitely be seeing me using that on my hair. And of course, as always, I will have everything linked in the description box. I just want to state before I show you guys the process of me straightening my hair that I did shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair a day before. For some reason, I just don't like putting too much stress on my hair all in one day. So I did do those 3 things a day before, and I put my hair in 2 French braids. So when I start my process, you'll see that my hair is not like freshly washed curls. They're more so, I just took my hair out of French braid, like a braid out type of thing. If you guys do want to see a very detailed video of me straightening my hair from start to finish, definitely let me know and I can do that for you guys, because the whole process is important. Like shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioning, all of that is essential, because you really want your hair to be in its cleanest state before you even think about putting a flat iron to it. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right into the video.